Welcome to my podcast. My name is Liam Brooks, and this podcast is about space, sounds in space that we can't normally hear. What if we can hear them, and what would they sound like? In our seventh spot, we have Jupiter. Jupiter has two sounds, one from its largest moon, Ganymede, and one from the planet itself. The sound from Ganymede is a whistle, which is caused by electrons being pushed around by the atmosphere of Ganymede. The summing on top of the whistling is caused by the solar wind in Jupiter's magnetosphere. In the sixth spot, we have Earth. Earth sounds nothing like it should, being a ball of rock and metal. This is said to be caused by the churning of the ocean or the roaring atmosphere. In our fifth spot, we have Mars. Mars sounds like if you're in the middle of a hurricane. This sound is caused by the high winds and the low atmospheric pressure of Mars. In the fourth spot, we have Mercury. Mercury sounds almost like a rocket launch, which is caused by the frequent quakes on a Mercury. This one gives me the chills. But in the third spot, we have Saturn. This sound is described as a high-pitched vibration, which is caused by the charged particles in the rings. These rings are formed just like comets, or even moons broken up in orbit around Saturn due to the planet's strong gravitational pull. This is caused by the matter to collide with each other, whereas the pieces spread around Saturn to form its rings. In our second spot, we have the Sun. The Sun is at the very center of our solar system. It was formed as a big ball of plasma that is slowly burning, and as it does so, it produces pressure waves. The sound is described as a light humming and crackling, which is formed by the convecting pressure waves that travel into the inner corona. In our number one spot, we have a rotating neutron star. This sounds almost like a helicopter, but the sound is actually formed by the particles jetting out from the sides of the star. It's time for some facts. Yeah! To get these sounds is not an easy task, as there is no sound in space, so therefore there is no sound. To get the sound waves, you need to lower the frequencies of the radio waves using a special microphones from the modules from a spacecraft. The end or the edge of the universe was questioned by scientists, as our solar system is rumored to be in the center of everything, so there has to be an edge. This question kept on getting bigger and bigger, so NASA sent out radio waves from a spacecraft in space. Shockingly, they got feedback from like 100,000 light years away, indicating there is an edge.